Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling developer options so you can change system animation and background limits. This directly affects perceived speed. Tap build number 7 times, then return to settings and open developer options. Once done, make sure your phone is plugged in and unlocked. Some toggles require active screen time to apply. You want a safe baseline, so back up quick settings or take a screenshot of defaults. These steps prepare the device for responsive performance changes, without guessing which toggles were originally enabled. You now change the core performance toggles. Set window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale to 0. 5x or off to make the UI feel snappier. Shorter animations equal faster perceived response. Next, limit background processes to 1 or 2 to free RAM for the foreground app. Also consider forced GPU rendering on older phones to shift UI work to the GPU. But make sure to test common apps, because some may behave differently when forced to GPU. You finish by enabling network and memory aids. Turn on aggressive Wi-Fi or mobile handover if present, and disable background data for resource-heavy apps so they stop waking the CPU. Clear app caches and consider moving large apps off internal storage to avoid I/O slowdowns. If you experience crashes or battery drain, revert developer option changes one at a time or reset to defaults. If problems persist, reboot into safe mode to isolate a misbehaving app. This single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.